Use effective building hardening. Hello and welcome to this week's Wednesday Wisdom Security Tip. When moving into your new factory or facility, don't overlook the importance of effective building hardening, which is the fortification of your premises against unauthorised access, theft, burglary and even natural disasters. Here are 5 tips. Firstly, your perimeter. Ensure it is conducted of a robust material. Make sure it protects inwards as well as outwards. Secondly, parking. If possible, segregate your parking away from your main building, especially that of contractors and visitors. Secure your access points. Reinforce your access points with robust material. Wherever possible, use toughened glass and high security locks. Use restricted zones for your confidential works or activities. And lastly, ensure that any high value assets or cash are secured in strong rooms or safes. Ensure they are secured at all times with strict access privileges. If you would like to know more about securing your building premises during the move, why not download our guide or come along to our webinar.